This is the project file from Maximal. It's a track from the first album, Soul Searching in Xenon. So yeah, what I like and I want to show in this track, there's interesting samples, bits of speeches from YouTube that are just implemented in a cool way. Just it goes together with the groove, and it's just, I think when I made it, I was in a really like spacey open zone in my mind, so I just, whatever I heard, everything sounded right. So just put stuff and it just I think it sounds pretty cool. Let's check it out. Okay, this is I don't know. This is some sample. Let's take off. Yeah, there's plenty of stuff. Okay, this is interesting. This is a recording of a heart of a friend's dog. It's pitched up a little bit. It's not even warped. There's some reverb on it. Let's try to listen to the original sample. Yeah, it's horrible. But yeah, it just sounds like subtle and cool. Okay, after that we have Paul Stamets, I think, talking with, I think, Joe Rogan in a podcast. And let's hear the original sample. Yeah, so he's talking about the stuttering that he used to have. So he just took his sample of imitating himself stuttering. And yeah, it's just... and reverb and delay. So now while I'm listening to it, I also can hear my own voice. There's a sample, that I recorded myself, which, as you can see, warped and a little bit of processing, and it gives an awesome groove. It's interesting because it's warped, quantized, and there's not even a groove in the... just normal like that. Okay, here we have another Joe Rogan podcast sample.
I don't know.
It's just him saying, I don't know.
I don't know.
And yeah, it's I'm pretty sure I haven't even... It's not like the process was probably very natural. I just listened, I just put the sample and I just moved a little bit and I don't know. And I just, I didn't overthink it. I'm pretty sure because I made this track in one session pretty much. So, yeah.
I don't know.
Not even... This is interesting because this is very interesting. So the original sample is my friend's recording. And I just took one vowel of his amazing speech. And I pitched it down, and there you have it. It's very, very cool. And now, this one at the break. little
I don't know. Like the duck.
yeah, that's a great sample as well. And what I did here,
Like the duck.
I haven't quantized the sample.
I don't know. Like the duck.
But then I added a stab thing, and what I did, I just tried to match the transient from the sample. As you can see, it's not quantized. It's not. It's kinda, yeah, it is, but it's. I just try to put it on the sample and not, yeah,
Like the duck.
because the sample is not. Yeah, you can kind of hear the contrast between this is kind of on and this is kind of off, but it's kind of gives it a weird shuffle.
Like the duck.
Yeah, so yeah, you can see I sampled from weird bits, made it some fills and stuff, and recorded myself, and yeah, it was part of a flow of making the track.